Hi again. I am here today talking about hobbies and how important they are as a balance to our work life. And everybody, I think, needs something to recharge. And what I do is garden and watch for birds. Also run, but it's a great way to put on some music, unplug from worry or distraction or overthinking, and just enjoy some time outdoors. And and actually, there's some satisfaction in seeing how they grow. Please leave a comment and let me know how you unplug and recharge, what your hobby is. Happy Friday.